Welcome students to the second term, and today we are going to take electronic spreadsheet session number 4, formatting a worksheet. Formatting, as we all know, that formatting is a feature that help us to enhance the looks of the data, that beautifies the data that we have written, so that the data becomes impressive, so that the data becomes catchy to be read by the one who is reading your worksheet. So there are certain common features, there are certain common commands that we will be using for formatting any of the worksheet, and those common commands will be found in the Home tab. In the Home tab, you will find some common commands related to the formatting. Like one of the common command is font, another is alignment, another is the numbers group. So you can see the icons are shown over here. These icons are related to the alignment of the text. Alignment means position of the text. You can see this is for the top align, this is for middle align, this is bottom align. That means using these three buttons you can position your text at the top of the cell, you can put them in the middle of the cell, or you can put them at the bottom of the cell. Then we have align left, we have center alignment, we have right alignment. These will help you to put the text onto the left, right and center of the cell. Then we have this one for decreasing the indents and this for increasing the indent. Again we have the merge and center. In merge and center you can combine two or more cells and put the text in the middle of the cell, middle of the merged cells. We have wrap text feature. This wrap text will help us to put the text into the next line if it is not fitting in the single line. In the Home tab, as you can see, these are found on the ribbon. The options related to the formatting are found on the ribbon, and each in the different category. First category is the font. All these alignments that we talked of just now, they are found in the alignment category. And then we have the numbers also. In the font category, you can find bold, italic, underline. Bold, italic, underline. This will help to make your text bold, that is, it will highlight the text. Italicized will write the slanting text, and underline will put a line under your text. Then we have for the border. At present the one that is shown, that is for the bottom border, but we can get different type of borders. Then we have this one. This icon is for the fill color. If you want the cell to be filled with a color, we will be making use of this fill color. Then we have this icon. This icon is for the font color. If you want to write your fonts with different colors like red, green, blue, black, you can make use of this font color. Then we have these two buttons. These two buttons are for increasing the font size. This is for increasing the font size. This is for decreasing the font size. Now what we are doing from increasing the font size or decreasing the font size is that step by step, point by point. If you wish to increase the size or decrease the size, you will be using these two buttons. But if you want to adjust the size of the font at one go, we will be making use of this font size option. Then moving ahead, we have these alignments as we have discussed just now, that we have left align, we have center align, we have right align. We have increasing the indents, decreasing the indents, merge and center, wrap text is there, orientation of the text is there, how we want the text to appear, whether we want it in the slanting way, we want it in the straight manner, or as we wish. Then we have the top alignment, we have the middle alignment, we have the bottom alignment. This all will fall under the alignment that will help to put your data in a particular position in the cell. Next we have this number. In the number we will find the accounting number format. Accounting number format, this icon is for accounting number format. This will help us to change the formats of the number, how we wish to put the numbers. Then next we have the percentage style. If you want to put a percentage after the number, you will make use of the percent style. Then we have the comma style. When we make use of the comma as a separator, so what style would you like to use as a separator? That can be done from here in the comma style. Then we have the increase and decrease decimal. This is for increasing the decimal, this is for decreasing the decimal. When you have written anything in the decimal format, the numbers in the decimal format, and you want to increase it or decrease it, you can make use of the increase and decrease. Now we will discuss in detail how we are going to make use of all these options. What are the steps that can be used for all these?